What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're going on an elk hunt. Headed to Colorado. Should be fun. It's gonna be a private land elk hunt. We're not doing over the counter this time, so yeah, stoked. Me and my brother, I'm on my way to go pick him up right now. Just gonna load up my suitcase. Get this show on the road. What do you guys say? Good luck?
Good luck, man.
Hope I get an elk.
Yep.
Thank you, man.
Elk.
Alright, first stop of the night, getting gas right now. So, kind of in the middle of nowhere, right before Vegas. Little gas station. All kind of shit. Man, look at all this. Oh, my favorite. Oh, sick. Oh.
I'm never gonna be able to finish this.
This place is sick. Dang. I don't know why this guy parks so close to us. Burger King. Woo. Back on the road. Cabela's. Woo. Gonna get our elk tags. Maybe just a couple big coolers. Run in here. Oh. Ooh. Look at that bull right there. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Just grabbed a couple things from Cabela's and now we're going to Sportsman's Warehouse. We're looking for broadheads for our arrows. We've been running out of them, so I'm gonna try to stock up on them. Get back to you guys when we get there. Yeah. No luck on broadheads. We're gonna go to one more bow store. Let's see what they got. It's called Red Rock Archery. We did get a nice cooler though. Got the whack'ems.
I don't know, dude.
Backup broadheads.
Bobby might not let us in his bow shop if we shoot these.
Red Rock Archery. We got an Airbnb over there by those mountains. We're ready to go. We're gonna go unload this truck. Showed up to our Airbnb. It is the 22nd, and we're gonna be hunting on the 25th. So, yep, we're gonna be heading up to Meeker in about 2 days, so we can go with our hunt. Should be fun. About to show you guys a little view of our Airbnb. Let's get it. View. Got these cool mountains in the background. Trees. Got our deer target right here, 3D block, the dice, big ice chest. They're cool, neat details. Little fire pit right here. Got all their stuff right here we're unpacking. Isaac got his gym that he wanted. That's the Hoy archery shirt on. We got treadmill. Probably gonna stay active for these past couple days. Upstairs. There. Couple nice rooms. Sick view. Awesome view. Bathroom, another room. This has 2 beds. Little loft. Yeah. Should be fun. Alright. Gonna finish unloading our stuff. And then get back to you guys when we're either sighting in our broadheads or hiking or fishing or whatever we're gonna do next.
First 20-yard shot with it, dude. Good shot.
Pretty good shots. This is the new broadhead we just picked up right here on the right. This is the one I've been shooting, so they're flying pretty good at 20.
It looked pretty good overall.
It's really windy right now, so we might go back to maybe 40. Maybe the wind will die down a little bit. 11 at night, we're about to pass out right here pretty soon. Got everything unpacked, did about everything, and then, yeah, catch you guys in the morning.
Fail, but get back up again and move forward.
What's up, guys? It's currently 7 a.m. We're gonna go head to town. Gonna get some breakfast, probably head back to Cabela's and stuff, maybe get some other things. But yeah, just update you guys when we're on the way. Starving Argos. Got elk everywhere. Just had some bomb breakfast right here at Starving Arvin's. Now we're headed to Cabela's for the second time. I'm gonna get some knives, some elk bags, and then whatever else. And then we had a problem getting our tags yesterday, so we're gonna get them today. Yep. And after that, I'll update you guys when we're there. Got our tags for like 600 bucks. So got some knives, a couple sleeping bags just in case. Yeah, I think we're all set. Gonna go head back to the Airbnb. Probably shoot our bows a little bit and just hang out. Update you guys when we get back there. We've just been chilling, hanging out. It's about 12 o'clock right now, and we're gonna go head up to the top of those mountains. It's called Mesa Lakes, something like that. We're gonna go try to catch some trout. Got my fishing rod. Gonna go try to kill some time until our hunt tomorrow. I'll get back to you guys when we're on our way up there. Up here to our fishing spot where we're going to be fishing. It's beautiful up here. Lakes everywhere. There's a lake there. Seeing a couple deer on the way up. So we're going to go throw our lines in the water and see what we can get. Oh, hook up. Hook up. Oh, and he came off. Dang it. Almost had him in. Almost had him in. Hook up. Another hook up. Come on, baby, come on. Get him in, get him in. Come on, baby, get him in, get him in. Yes. Got one. Oh, another hookup. This one's a good one. Oh my. Round two. Round two, baby, round two. Come on. Come on. Get in here. Oh yeah, this is a big one. Oh man. This is a nice one. Oh my. This one's a good one. Loving it out here. Can't wait for our elk hunt. As he got one. Nice one. Nice fat one. There we go. My GoPro died, so we're filming off the phone now. But man, we're catching them every cast out here in this side. It's pretty fun. I'm gonna update you guys a couple more times on the way back to our truck, and then we'll see you guys back at the Airbnb. Update for you guys. We walked all the way around the lakes. Man, I can't even count how many fish that I caught. Together we probably caught about 25 fish. I don't know what kinds of trout because Obviously, you're not from around here. I don't trout fish much, but highly recommend these lakes. We came all the way up to Mesa Lake. Highly recommend. We walked all the way around. We fished the deep parts. That's where the big fish were. So I'll add some iPhone footage before this clip, but yeah, we're on the way back to the Airbnb. See you. Update, we're at Famous Dave's Barbecue. It's currently like 8 in the morning, the 24th. Today's the day we're going to meet the guy to go to the ranch, so we're pretty stoked. We're gonna hop on the road, head up there early so we can check out everything, get some breakfast, maybe see some deer, and then yeah, update you guys when we do something fun. We made it to Meeker. We're right here, just ate some bomb breakfast at White River. Yeah, we're gonna wait till 1 o'clock and we're gonna meet these guys so we can go to the ranch. Should be sick, but I'll get back to you guys when we get there. Monster antelope right there in that ridge. Monster. Right there. Little update for you guys. Got my Matthews elk shirt on. He's got his Hoyt. We're ready. We just met the guides. We're following him right now to the ranch. Met the owner of the ranch. He said, yeah, should be good. They got a 315-inch bull last week, so it should be cold here on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and he said that the elk just started bugling again, so yeah, I think it should be fun. Hopefully we get some. Hopefully we see a lot of elk. I'll keep you guys updated throughout the hunt. Alright, we made it. Up here in our cabin. A bunch of beds. Beds everywhere. We drove about 2.5 hours on a dirt road, so we're pretty isolated here. Give you guys a little tour of this place.
What do we got going tonight, Chef?
We got vegetables, pork loin, twice baked potatoes, and cornbread.
Ooh, the cornbread looks delicious.
And I'm gonna warm it up a little bit here. Got some carbs and protein going for me.
Yep.
Yeah.
Should I drink some agua?
We got peanut butter chocolate chip cookies for dessert.
Some of the mounts. Some whitetail, some elk, some mule deer. Nice little elk. Some bigger bowls over here. We're gonna have dinner. I'm gonna go to bed and get up early and get after it. Hopefully we can get us a bowl first day. Gnarly hike straight up. We're just sitting up here waiting to hear a bugle or spot some elk, then we're gonna go get on them. So I'll get back to you guys when we do that. We just bought a nice bull down here. Down off this ridge. We're gonna try to get down there and get a shot. A little update. We're up here on top of the mountains. We see a pretty nice bull, probably like a 6x5, 5x5. Kind of hard to tell, but it's a freaking animal. But yeah, we're gonna sit up here and wait till the evening, so we don't have to go down this big mountain. Wait for him to come back out and start feeding around, or maybe go down to the water. There's water right below us down here, so yeah, wish us luck. Alright, just seen another bull down here. Right down there on that ridge. We're gonna head down there and see if we can make something happen and call him in. He has one cow, so get back to you guys. Closer, didn't it? That sure sounded closer to me. Yeah, it did. Is that really close? Oh, he's coming. about to smoke the bull right now. Oh, I look good. I'm not sure. Oh, my adrenaline's going. My arrow's right here. I'm gonna grab my arrow real quick. Oh, it looks good. Oh man, I hope I got him good. Oh, let's go. Oh my god. Dude.
Oh, he's coming. And I heard right up by this guy.
I can't believe dude, it went right through. Damn, I missed the second shot. Pretty sure. Hopefully he goes down. He ran over there. We'll wait. Yeah. We'll wait, but dude, hopefully I just locked my first elk. High country carnage, baby. High country carnage, baby. Let's go. Oh, shoot. I'm so stoked. Look at this arrow. Dude. Alright, we got some good blood. We just came to where I stopped and I shot at him the second time. So he's looking pretty good. I did hit him a little high by the shoulder, so we're just giving him a little bit of time, but yeah, he's leaking out both sides. So just keep updating you guys. I guess I did hit him the second time. Oh, we did find him. Our first archery bull. Oh, sick. Oh, huge. Oh my.
I can't remember.
I just shot a unicorn. The horn comes straight out the middle of the head. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dang. We got some kicker out the back.
Unique, huh? Yeah, it's different. It's good.
Giant.
Bull turn. You want the white on you?
Yeah, we'll keep it on. Alright. We got it done today. It's the first day. We're here for 5 days and my guide called him in. Like 20 yards, the cow ran in front of us and this guy ran right behind her. And I didn't even rangefinder, I just smoked him. Hit him a little forward, we tracked him for about, probably a mile. He came all the way down here. Didn't think I was gonna find him at first, but we got him. Look at this crazy bull. He's like a unicorn. Comes straight out the front, 5x, 5x, 3x on this side. He has like a little kicker right here, another little kicker. But yeah, we still got 4 more days left. And yeah.
Heck yeah, nice bull, man.
Get back to you guys after packing out.
Cody.
Fuck yeah.
Hell
Thank
yeah,
you,
man.
Cody. Shout out, Cody. Really good guide. We've seen a lot of elk today. We've seen a monster bull this morning, so let's hope Isaac can get it done for us.
We'll keep you guys posted.
Straight out,
Dude,
but it was like up to 3:30.
Trying to light her, Isaac? Go back to camp. The unicorn.
One for you.
Hindquarters.
One for you.
No, I'm good.
How about you?
I'll take one.
And here's another one.
Is this the arrow here?
Alright, what's up, guys? It's the next morning. It's about 10 o'clock. We're gonna head to town and I'm gonna take this meat to the butcher shop and I'm gonna European mount this bull. Yeah. Heading to town right now. We just made it out here, dropped off the head to get European mounted, Dropped off all the meat at the butcher. Eating some bomb food. Shout out Isaac, Cody, my guide, Bob from Sitka, Performance Archery. Thank you, all you guys. Make my dreams come true. So
Western Outdoor Outfitters.
yep, Western Outdoors. Those guys are pretty legit. If you guys are real hunters, then I highly suggest coming out here. They got lots of big bulls, good opportunities, so stay tuned. Back. Gonna go check it out. Might take the airplane. It's the mountain I came down from my bull last night. This big grain stuff. Shot him over there. Crazy. Walked all the way back to the cabin. Whew.
We've been out of water for a long time. So we found
Little update. We had no luck this evening. We were waiting for maybe something to run down in here, down to the water. But camp with us. Another guy that's in the camp with us just came down this mountain with a nice bowl, so good for him. We're gonna be back in the morning after it. See if we can get Isaac a bowl. Get back to you guys when we get back to camp. Alright. This is day 3. We didn't have no luck yesterday in the evening. Went to town in the daytime to drop mine off. So, wish us luck. Hopefully they're bugling. It's about, I don't know, 38 degrees. So, it's kind of crispy. Get back to you guys when we see some action. The wind got to us this morning. It's going the wrong way, but we're gonna hang out up here on top of these mountains and see if maybe it'll change. We can stay up here for our evening hunt, but he left the GoPro videoing, so it only has 8% battery. But I'll film off my phone if I have to. Get back to you guys.
Whose land's that?
It looked like. Dude. Whose land is that?
I think that's Kara's.
Boy, that'd be some shit. That's a. Dude, that's a giant for sure. Look how many there is, though.
Yeah, there's a bunch of deer up there.
It's like 30 deer. But this guy.
There's deer all the way up that strip.
This guy's a monster. Oh my. Dude, that's the one.
Are amazing as well.
Oh,
All
yeah.
these big.
Look at
muleys
that.
Are just so
Look at that
flamey
muley.
and these big
Look at
black
that,
deer,
Cody.
too.
Heading back down the mountain right now. Wind is bad. Wind's pushing this way. And that's what we're doing right over there, so. We're gonna head back to camp right now and then head back out in the evening. We're all packed up, ready to go. It's the last day, Tuesday. We hunted this morning, didn't see nothing. Kind of pushed the elk out a little bit. So after I got mine, another person in the camp got a pretty big one. So yeah, they're kind of in like one draw, and everybody kind of pushed them over to the next, you know, the next property over. But I got one. Isaac didn't have too great of luck. Next
year.
Yeah, next year. This year I'm gonna be going on a mule deer hunt pretty soon too with the rifle, so that should be a pretty good film. Yeah, this place is awesome. Little cabin in the middle of nowhere. Great guides. We had a pretty good guide. Great cooks. Shout out to all of them. And yeah, might come back here. Who knows? We're gonna head to town so we can pick up my meat in the morning and pick up my horns, and then we should be headed back to California. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, anything. See you guys later. Just got all of our meat. Bunch of steaks, round steaks, loins,
Round steak loins.
hamburger.
We got some hamburger down here.
It's all frozen, ready to go back to San Diego. Got my my European mountain there. Got a shed that Isaac found on the mountain. Pretty cool. Yeah. And we're gonna be heading out here pretty soon.